Welcome to LearnQ.ai. In this video, we'll learn how to analyze your diagnostic test performance to maximize your SAT preparation. Once you've completed a diagnostic test, the next step is to thoroughly review your results. Here's how to do it effectively. Click on View Analytics to open your detailed diagnostic test report. This report leverages AI to offer a precise evaluation of your performance, predicting your SAT score and analyzing your strengths and weaknesses. The analytics predicts your SAT score based on your diagnostic test performance. This score serves as a benchmark, helping you understand your current standing and set realistic goals for improvement. The AI provides personalized recommendation to help you identify the areas where you performed well. Recognizing these strengths can boost your confidence and reinforce effective strategies. It also pinpoints subjects or topics where you need additional practice. This targeted focus helps you allocate your study time more efficiently. You also receive tailored advice on how to address your weakness and enhance your overall performance. The report converts your predicted digital SAT score into ACT score. This provides a comparative perspective, allowing you to gauge how your performance might translate across different standardized tests. The analytics report also analyzes your time management for the test. It tracks the time you spend on each subject, reading, writing, and math, and compares your time distribution with that of your peers. This helps you identify where you might be spending too much time or too little time. If you answer questions significantly faster or slower than the average time, it may indicate guesswork or lack of seriousness. This insight helps you adjust your approach to time management. On the right, the report highlights the three subjects where time management issues are most significant. Next, the LQ Mastery Score. This measures your proficiency in each subject and topic by evaluating your accuracy, question difficulty, concept complexity, and solution time. There are 5 mastery levels: beginner, intermediate, advanced, expert, and master. The report categorizes your mastery level, helping you identify which topic you need to improve to achieve expertise. The accuracy analysis scores your performance out of 100 for various topics. A higher accuracy score indicates better precision in answering questions. The report also highlights topics where your accuracy needs improvement. High accuracy is vital for achieving a high SAT score. Understanding where you need to improve helps you focus your study on areas that will have the greatest impact on your performance. By thoroughly reviewing your diagnostic test results and leveraging the insight and recommendations provided, you can effectively tailor your study plan, address weaknesses, and enhance your readiness for the SAT. And that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and join our Discord community from the link in description for more SAT tips.